Most riders think they need a racing tire when they are really just trying to get to work without sliding out on a wet manhole cover. It is a classic mistake. You buy the stickiest rubber available because you want that confidence in the corners. Then you realize you are spending half your paycheck on replacements every few months. Let us look at the reality of the Michelin commuter tire versus the high-strung Pirelli Sport option. The Michelin is built for the person who treats their bike like a tool. It is about safety and consistency above all else. When you look at the tread, you see those deep grooves. They are there for one job. They shove water out of the way. If you live in a place where the clouds are always gray, this is your best friend. It handles the rain like a champ. You can feel that stability through the handlebars. It does not try to be fancy or aggressive. It just stays predictable. This is huge for city riding. You have enough to worry about with distracted drivers. You have to deal with sudden stops. You do not want your tires to be another variable. Plus, the longevity is incredible. This rubber is a harder compound. It resists the flat spotting you get from miles of straight-line highway riding. It is the economical choice for someone who rides daily. It is for the person who does not want to visit the shop every season. But there is a trade-off. If you try to push this tire into a deep lean on a hot afternoon, it might feel a little numb. It lacks that razor-sharp feedback. That is where the Italian performance tire enters the frame. This Pirelli is a different animal entirely. It is designed for the rider who lives for the weekend. The rubber is much softer. It feels almost tacky to the touch when it gets warm. And it gets warm fast. That is one of its secret weapons. You do not have to ride for 20 minutes to get it into its happy zone. Within a few blocks, it is ready to bite into the asphalt. This creates massive confidence when you are leaning the bike over. The steering feels lighter. It feels more precise. It reacts to your inputs immediately. If you think about turning, the bike is already moving. However, you pay for that thrill. The soft compound wears down quickly. If you use this for a heavy daily commute, you will watch the tread vanish before your eyes. It is also more expensive up front. You are paying a premium for that sticky grip. It is a performance upgrade that makes every ride feel like a lap at the track, but it demands a higher maintenance budget. On a smooth, well-paved road, the Pirelli is untouchable. It feels like it is glued to the ground, but on rough, broken city streets, the Michelin actually feels better. The harder build and specific tread patterns soak up those little imperfections. It dampens the vibrations from the road. The Pirelli is more rigid. It sends every bump straight through the frame to your wrists. You have to ask yourself what your average Wednesday looks like. Are you dodging traffic and rain? Or are you hunting for the perfect apex? For the vast majority of people, the Michelin is the logical winner. It handles the real world better. It lasts longer. It keeps you safe when the weather turns ugly. But if you prioritize that adrenaline hit, the Pirelli is worth it. It turns a boring ride into a genuine experience. Just be ready to buy a new set sooner than you think. You have to choose between the marathon runner and the sprinter. One will get you there every day for years. The other will give you the ride of your life right now. It all comes down to what you value more when you twist that throttle.